In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone numbers in Asana 2025, step by step. If you manage contacts, clients, or stakeholders in Asana, having a clean, consistent place for phone numbers makes your work much easier. We'll set up a simple custom field so those numbers are visible right where you need them, searchable across the project, and ready to export for reporting. Start by opening the Asana project where you want to store phone numbers. Look to the upper right corner and click Customize. This opens a sidebar that lets you tailor how your project works. In that sidebar, head to Fields or Custom Fields, then choose Add Field and select Create New Field. This is where we'll build the dedicated space for phone numbers. Give your field a clear name, like phone or contact number. Next, set the field type to text. While a number field might seem logical, text is the safer option because phone numbers can include plus signs, spaces, parentheses, and leading zeros. Using text ensures nothing gets stripped out or reformatted in a way that breaks the number. Decide where you want the field to appear. Choose Show on Task to display it in each task's details, or Show on Board if you want to see it directly in your list or board view. Many teams enable both so it's visible at a glance and still easy to edit inside the task. When you're ready, click Create Field. That's it. Your project now has a proper home for phone numbers. To use it, open any task and paste or type the phone number into the new field. For best results, pick a consistent format for your team. Including the country code with a plus sign helps avoid confusion, especially if your project spans regions. Consistency also improves search, filters, and reporting later. Why set it up this way? A custom field keeps phone numbers consistent and easy to find without burying them in task descriptions or comments. You can scan them in list or board views, filter or sort by the field, and export your project to a spreadsheet while preserving the data. This approach scales well as your project grows and reduces errors that come from ad hoc note-taking. A couple of final tips. Agree on a standard format with your team and stick to it, and be mindful of privacy. Only store phone numbers where it makes sense and where your team has appropriate access. And that's all you need to add phone numbers in Asana using a custom field. Simple, reliable, and ready for real-world workflows.